Alright, this is Alibaba and the 40 Thieves, and this is how it is played. In this game, everyone starts with $20, and the objective is to try to get to 80. Okay, this is how a round is set up. Everyone will draw 3 cards, and then you arrange the cards are numbered from 0 to 10, and you need to arrange them in front of you. Smallest card on the left, largest card on the right. So when the game starts, everyone starts with 20, and this is the treasure card. You arrange the rewards around this treasure, starting from 1 all the way until 200. So the players will take turn to draw a card. They can draw from the deck, or they can reveal a card of another player. The only cards they cannot touch are their own cards. They know what they are, but they cannot reveal those cards. So let's say this player starts, right? He can reveal any of the cards. So let's say he starts with this. Okay, this is a 4. Now, as long as the total does not exceed 22, then the active player will be able to collect a reward. He will always collect the smallest reward available, which is 1 now. Okay, so this is the next player. The next player will try to reveal another card. Let's say he decides to reveal this player's card, and he reveals the card on the right. Okay, this is a 10. So the total is 14 now, still not beyond 22. This player collects next reward, which is 3. Okay, now the total is 14 now. So this player thinks it's a bit risky, so maybe he wants to reveal a card. Hopefully it's a smaller card. Okay, so he reveals somebody else's card, so he reveals this card. Okay, this is a 2, right? So the total is 16. So this player is still good. He collects this reward. Now it's getting closer and closer to 22. For this player, he needs to look for a small card. So he's going to try this one. It's a 0. Okay, so that means the total is still 16. He gets the next reward, which is a 10. Okay, now it's back to this player. It's getting closer and closer. The smaller cards have come out. What is going to be next? Let's say he tries this card. Okay, it's a 6. So 16 plus 6 is 22, exactly 22. That's still okay. So he collects the next reward, which is this. Okay, now it is this player's turn. The only chance this player has is if he draws a 0. Okay, so there's a card distribution here. So it tells you what are the numbers in the game and how many times they appear. Okay, so this player is going to try to make a guess. Let's try. Hopefully this is a 0. Okay, it's a 4. So the total has exceeded. Now this round will end. This player, because he's causing the total to go beyond 22, he has to surrender 10 to the bank. Okay, so when we reset the game, when we reset the round, then all the cards have to be reshuffled, dealt out again, and these rewards, they need to be replenished, so that for the next round, then there will be new rewards available. So this is how a round is played. Now there are some special cards in the game. So these are the boss. Okay, if you draw the boss, you always place it on the left, right? For example, if you have these 3 cards, the boss on the left, the 0 is here, and the 10 is here. And when you draw the boss, basically you are considered to exceed 22 immediately. And there's this card times 2. It's always placed at the center. So the value of this card is the value of the previous card being revealed times 2, right? So for example, if the previous card being revealed is a 10, then this times 2 card is considered 20. So that means you have exceeded 22. Okay. Now this is works in the same way. Plus 2 cards, the value of this card itself is considered to be 2 more than the previous card. So if the previous card is a 4, then this card would be a 6. So this is how the game works.